I've onboarded over 110 people into my premium community, and in this video, I'm going to break down this process for you so that you can copy it step by step. Now, keep in mind, this process is heavily reliant on gohighlevel. So if you don't know what gohighlevel is, or if you're not yet using it, make sure to check the video on the top right-hand corner of this video, because that one will go step by step onto what gohighlevel is and what you can do with it. Nevertheless, the very first thing that happens when someone joins my premium community is that I receive a member notification on my phone. This allows me to very quickly get myself onto Skool and sending them DMs on top of the auto DM that already gets sent. This is very important because if you do not get to them as quickly as you possibly can, the odds of you being able to get an answer back from them are massively reduced. At the same time that I get a notification on my phone, gohighlevel goes and tags them so that I know exactly which community they're in and tags them with the appropriate email newsletter for that community. Right after doing that, it adds them onto a pipeline, which allows me to have a bird's eye view of all of my business. This includes my free community and my paid community, as well as all of the calls in between the free and the premium community. So I know exactly who's booked the calls in, who has showed up to them, who hasn't showed up to them, who I need to follow up with, etc. This allows me to have so much more control and information about my business that ultimately allows me to tailor strategies so I can convert even more members from the free community into the premium community. Right after it adds them onto the pipeline, it sends them the very first welcome email. Now, this email is structured in a way that reduces the chances of them going into spam, and that later down the line, once more emails get sent through gohighlevel automatically, these land inside of the inbox and not inside of the spam. Now, all of this process, as I've just talked you through, happens without me having to lift a single finger, and it happens in a split second. It's bulletproof, and I know that I can rely on this for the 5, 10, 20 members that I have joining my community every single day. Now, for the next few steps, these happen inside of Skool. Now, once they join, within the first 1 to 5 minutes, Skool automatically sends them a DM. Now, in my case, my DM is asking people if they are already on gohighlevel, because what I want to do is ask them a question that's relevant to my community so that first of all, I understand better their situation. Second of all, I qualify them. And third of all, asking them a question gets them to engage a lot better. If you just welcome them into the community, not a lot of people are going to say thank you. So if you ask them a question, at least it's something that's very direct, it's very easy to answer, and they'll do it a lot more often. Now, as you can see here on the left, all of these boxes now send people into the kickoff call. The main aim with the welcome email, with the auto DM, with the welcome start here post, and with the start here module is to get people to book in a call with me. Why? Because I want to get these people activated as quickly as humanly possible. The quicker these people are activated and started on this journey, the better the retention will be down the line and the better their experience will be, so they're going to stick around for longer. Now, for the welcome start here post, I have it structured so that they do two things. The first thing is that they book in their kickoff call right away. This is so that it's set in stone and so that they don't run the risk of my slots being completely taken. The second thing that I asked them to do is to get started on gohighlevel. This will immediately get them started on the process even before they jump on the kickoff call. So what happens is that if they do start on gohighlevel, they're able to go into the classroom and they're able to start watching the course videos so that they can get further ahead. And once they hop on the call, I just need to answer any questions or issues that they have and help them get further along in the process. Now, in the event that they don't see the auto DM, they don't see the start here post, or they don't see the welcome email, I have the start here module. Now, inside of my Skool community, I have this path that starts with the start here module. This goes through everything from an identity shift, educating people more about what gohighlevel is, and more importantly, talking about the kickoff call. Now, if they do not see any of those other things that I've just mentioned, odds are that they're going to see the start here module and they're going to book in this call. And regardless of where they see this call, be it on a welcome email, auto DM, welcome start here post, or the start here module, all of this is going to point them to a gohighlevel calendar where they can book in a call directly with me without me having to do a single thing. Once they book it in, I get a notification, and then they get reminded 2 days before, 1 day before, 2 hours before, and 15 minutes before of their call with me, always sending the Zoom link so that they don't forget about it and they know exactly how to get into the call. Now again, the reason why I have all of these touch points is to increase my odds of being able to get these people on a call with me. Why? Because as I mentioned, the sooner and the quicker I get them activated, the higher the chance of me retaining them for the long run is, all right? Now, if you want to implement this system into your Skool community and into your business, then go ahead and press this video here because I break down step by step how you can do it.